Welcome to Conversios. In this video, we will help you understand how we can set up Conversios Microsoft app within your Shopify store. Once you install the app, you will see this screen wherein you have to click on Start Your Setup Now button to proceed further with these app setups. Now here if you see, we have Sign In with Microsoft button. So let's click on it. Add the email address, click on Next button. After adding password, click on Sign In. Now here if you see, I'm logged in with an email address. I have to select Microsoft Ads Manager account. So let's click on the drop down and select one. Similarly with the Ads sub account. And lastly, Ads Pixel ID. So let's go ahead with this. Now we have other pixels options as well. So if you want to add in Microsoft Clarity Pixel and LinkedIn Pixel, you can type in the IDs here and the pixel here and click on Save and Next. Here we have to select Microsoft Merchant Center Store. So let's click on the drop down, select the Merchant Center Store and Microsoft Merchant Catalog ID from this drop down here. Let's click on Save and Next. As the next step, we have to enable the blocks. So let's click on Activate Blocks Now button and we will see another window pop up on our screen. Now here we have to make sure that we enable these two blocks here. So let's enable it and click on Save button. Once this is saved, we can close this window and make sure to enable this checkbox to click on Save and Next button. As the last step, we have to make sure that we enable checkout purchase events. So we need to copy this code. Here we see the code is copied and click on Settings Customer Events. It will redirect us to a different page. Now here we need to click on Add Custom Pixel button. Name the pixel name that we are trying to add here. And paste the complete code that we have copied. Now let's click on Save button. And click on Connect. So as we have saved the code, we can close this tab now. And here as the last step, we enable this checkbox and click on Finish Setup. Congratulations! Now your app setup is complete. So there are two additional sections that we can go ahead with. So let's quickly go to Feed Manager. Okay, now here we need to click on Create New Feed button. Add some feed name. Select the target country based on your need, language, and select the auto sync interval. Once this is done, click on Create button. And from here you can select the number of products. So let's go ahead with all products that is already there in the store. And I have selected all the products and let's click on Add Selected Products and sync all 50 products. Okay, so now here if you see, the feed is created and currently it is in draft status. So it may take some time to update the status to in progress and synced as well. Now let's quickly go to campaign section and see what are the options there. Now let's click on Create Campaign button to see how we can create campaigns and what are the options available. So here if we see, we have two options available, that is the campaign name. So let's add it something here. And add the daily budget as well. So let's go ahead with this and click on Create Campaign. Now here if you see, this campaign is created now. And this is all about the Microsoft app with Shopify. So thank you for watching. If you have any queries, any concerns, you can always reach out to us at info@conversios.io. And for more such updates and more product updates, you can also subscribe to our YouTube video channel. Thank you for watching.